Hi, hello, welcome to Paru Ravi Vlogs. This will be the second part of our unboxing. So, let's go.
So yeah, even another product is from Amazon itself. I know what is in because I know the amount of orders. So I know what is inside it, but it's a surprise for you guys. You have to see it when I open it. So oh my god. Yes. What do we have here? So it is again a prestige product, which is again Omega Select Plus. So it is what we can say appam. Yeah, what we can say this? What is it called? Paniyarakal. Paniyarakal. I don't know. It is maybe in Tamil or Malayalam. I don't know what it's exactly, but in my mother says it is appam making pan or lid, whatever it can. I don't know. So yeah. So I just like this appam. Even I have a little brother and he just loves eating this appam. So appe in Marathi it is said appe, Hindi is also said appe, and in Telugu it said appam, I guess. And I don't know what this paniyarakal means. Okay, so sorry if I'm spelling or I'm pronouncing it wrong, but yeah. So see. So here we have extreme scratch and abrasion resistance coating, superior non-stick release performance. Even this is PFO free, PFO that is free coating for healthy cooking. Okay, and tempered glass lid. So this is the glass lid, and it is 240 thick, not as the initial one. So it is somewhat different from the initial one. So let's open. So as you can see, we have all Prestige product. It is not that we have a sponsor from Prestige. No. It is just we are too, conscious about our health. Like my mother, she doesn't like unhealthy products or unhealthy things. So she is very particular about the products, and we select something which has a good recognition, or not stuff that it's coming for what we can say, cheaper rates. No, my mother is strict. No, she has a strict no. So there are many products of Prestige here, we can see, but for now we are unboxing the Paniyarakal or maybe Appaizi Appe pan. Yeah, it's a new thing, Appe pan. Oh wow. So this is the glass lid they were talking about. This was the bill, okay, from Amazon. So why is this? Okay, the handle, the lid has to be placed like this only. Okay, it has to be removed. Oh my god, apologies. That is what I was thinking. Why it is reverse? So here we have another scrubber from Prestige itself. Boing. So this is the spoon with the help of which we'll rotate the appes. Just a moment. So yeah, here is the warranty card. Here it also is this is also giving a 1 year of warranty. So yeah, that's it. So we have to open this like this. Oh my god. Okay. So we have to fix it this way. So yes. Oh yeah. Ta-da! The glass lid. The main thing I liked is the glass lid. The glass lid is so elegant, so elegant. Yeah, even Appe without appe making thing, we cannot proceed further. So this together, this both, they, it is a strong, even it is one thing I have to specify, the weight of this this pan is very much, I mean, like I am not able to take it with one hand, so I have to hold it good. It is hard and sturdy, like we have, it is not at all loose or of loose material. Here we can see two screws holding it, so it is somewhat a tough material, and which is giving us a very much satisfaction, like full paisa vasool thing. Okay, so even the glass, see the, you can see the thickness of the glass from it. It has a thickness of this much. It's not a halka fulka glass which we use. Yeah, from here the steam comes out, and then that's it. So yeah, these were the products which we unboxed just now. We unboxed a kadai, a set of kadai for Prestige, even the kettle, electric kettle of Prestige, and the appe making pan, which is also called as panya rakkal somewhat. So yeah, this was the today's video of unboxing. This was something new which we tried of unboxing. So yes, that's it. So if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe. Also comment what new stuffs or what new contents you are expecting from us, so even we will know like we should improve our content or not. So please let us know by commenting what is the next video which you demand from us. And for today, that's it. So tata, bye bye, take care, bye.